Do you understand why I'm curious? Like, do you realize that all you have to do is hit the button and watch a film and you'll be compensated? What about getting paid again and again just for your liking and commenting on the video? You may just execute this big number of things efficiently for a few moments on your phone in a single day. And you can make real money online over and over again. You could absolutely withdraw the funds using PayPal. Even better, you could just transfer the funds to your bank and have them in digital currency. Wouldn't that be incredible? So today, I'll show you a website that a few people only know, and I'll walk you through the most effective way to pursue for free, one step at a time. Don't worry, this site has no country restrictions, so it doesn't matter where you are on Earth. If you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll even offer you an extra reward tip that will give you an extra money without requiring you to do any work. Before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Give extremely close attention to all that I will say since this is a brand new site. I don't need you to miss any significant information. Now look at here. You can see here that there are 5 distinct strategies that can make you cash on this site in the first place. Browse sites, videos, and advertisements. Then at that point, leave interactions via online media. If that incorporates watching, liking, sharing, and possibly leaving remarks on recordings. You can likewise compose surveys on specific items. You can even finish study in case that is your thing. I think this is the best technique for amateurs, but don't forget that I have a few hints to impart to you later on this video, so stay with me. Now let me show you the home page. You can do this in any gadget like your PCs or cell phones. Have confidence that this works in any country on the planet. No cash, no speculation is required. Either allow me to show you how this truly functions. Step 1. Select the technique for acquiring. There are quite numerous ways on the most proficient method to bring in cash. On the site, you can browse this multitude of choices. There are 5 extraordinary techniques, as should be obvious. Then begin dealing with the undertaking. You get sent the installment each and every time. You can really get compensated every 24 hours by utilizing this technique. Doesn't that sound great to you? Assuming you want to pursue a free account, all you have to do is click on the button that says registration and it will present to you this page. You can see your choice to begin a record. You can enlist utilizing a Google or Microsoft account. However, you can likewise make another one without any preparation by tapping the email and password. Here, then click straight away. You'll be taken to this page and this is your dashboard. You will see your income right here along these lines. This is another record, so you're beginning from $0 since you haven't done any tasks yet. So just relax. When you begin bringing in cash, it will appear here on top of your dashboard. You have started setting up your account, so go to your inbox and search for the confirmation link to verify your account. That way, your account can be set up and initiated, and you can begin bringing in cash. Presently, back to your dashboard, I need you to click on Earn, so you can be taken to this page. You can pick your technique for installments, all of which I showed you. So before on the video, allow us to look at the main strategy, which is to browse sites, bids, and promotions. Simply click on the button here that says Earn, and you'll be taken here where you can begin browsing promotions so you can start to bring in cash. Once more, when you click on Procure, there will be a pop-up window, as you can see right here. Though it doesn't make any difference what gadget you're utilizing, you can browse the page for the measure of time shown and ensure you don't simply remain in one spot. This way, you can demonstrate that you are a real individual doing the task and not a robot modified. To simply remain there when the time is up, cash will be credited to your record. That's it, but before we go any deeper, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video, and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. So allow me to show you more things. At times you will be taken to regular YouTube recordings, and what you need to do is to press play and watch the video however long the clock demonstrates. Try not to stop the video once the clock runs out, because you won't get the cash. Continuing on, now the following technique is leaving a communication via web-based media. Click on Procure, and you'll be taken here. Leave a wide range of corporations. Here is YouTube and Instagram. You can watch videos on YouTube and preferred channels and like recordings on Instagram. You can like posts and follow accounts. These are simple, no abilities even required, so simply do a few clicks and get compensated. I'll show you an example here by watching a YouTube video. Click play and begin watching the video until the clock says as much. Here is the tip. Put down the video quality into its lowest setting so you can save your data in addition to playing it a lot faster. Another strategy is working on comments and reviews or finishing surveys additionally. Making accounts and preferring pamphlets if you have not seen it. I have not mentioned the site name yet. It is zareklamy.com. You can download it on iOS and Android gadgets and begin bringing in cash online. Any place you're at presently, here is the reward tip that I'm making you sit tight for zareklamy.com. It really has a reference program, and you can allude or welcome companions to the site. When you will acquire a 12 commission, simply duplicate your referral link and offer it to others in any case. Stand by! Here is another reward tip you can likewise acquire through this another site, which is called Coinbase.com. On the homepage, there is a button that says Earn Crypto. Click on that and you'll be taken to this page where you can earn cryptocurrency money while finding out about crypto. Simply watch recordings and you will get compensated. Investigate the amount they will pay you on each video. For instance, click Start Course and you'll be taken here. You will see every one of these examples separated into absorbable recordings that are several minutes each, and you will get paid by watching these videos. It's just plain obvious. You can watch these videos this short and you can bring in this particular cash. You can likewise welcome companions to utilize the site, and afterward, you'll procure 50 at that point. When you finish a course, you can simply begin once again and watch another, so you'll continue to bring in cash over and over again. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first ones to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.